Hello everyone and welcome to another Edit With Me Wednesday. Today we are going to be looking at this image here, and this is a copy of the finished result that we are going to be aiming for. So as always, I'm going to apply my preset, which is here. And as you can see, there is not much difference in the finished image to what I have got here. So when I usually edit an image, the first thing I will do is usually just crop in just to make sure that I've got everything where I want it. And I think I'll go for that about there. One thing I love about the cropping tool on here is that it's nicely sectioned into thirds, and you can change this into like lots of different cropping options. So many I can't even begin to describe to you, but I prefer to work with this one, as this is kind of the most proportions that you kind of go for and that it looks the most natural with as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to lighten this bokeh because it's a little bit too dark for me. So we're going to go to our adjustment brush here, and I'm just going to go here to show selected mask overlay, and that's just to see where the brush effect is going to be placed. I like doing this before I really put any effects onto it or any adjustments, just so I can see the area I'm working with, and then we can obviously highlight as much as we like. So I think about there, just at 30.3 is good enough. And what I think I might do is, as you can see on this side, it's a lot warmer compared to this side. Like, my arm looks quite blue. So I'm just going to bring a grad filter, which is located here. And what this does is it gradually, hence the name grad filter, warms or does whatever you want, a bit like an adjustment brush. You can do whatever you want, but it kind of filters it out a little bit more. It fades it, it graduates it, hence the name grad filter. So if I just take it away here and then pop it back in, it's looking a little bit more like this side here. Let me have a look. Let me just lighten that up a little bit more. I may even go into the sides of my back just here, and maybe even a little bit of my hair. This is all just personal preference. There, I think maybe just a little bit on the side of my arms as well, just to even everything out. There, and I think we're done. This is quite an easy image to edit. I should really try do more difficult ones sooner. But yes, that is my editing process for this specific image. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I will see you again very soon.